Yo, what is going on, guys? This updated tutorial today is going to be showing you how to go ahead and get the best driving empire codes in 2026. I spent hours searching different tutorials and trying codes, and I've finally managed to find some codes for Roblox driving empire that you're definitely not going to want to miss out on. You can get tons of free money and even unlock all cars using these driving empire codes. Now guys, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway to my subscribers, so to enter, make sure you are subscribed and also go ahead and hit that like button, and that is going to enter you into the Robux gift card giveaway. Now let's get into the video and show you how to get these driving empire codes. As you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone. I've been searching Google and stuff, guys, and I'm going to show you the driving empire codes that I actually managed to find. So use your mobile internet browser, head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. And Crash Coupons is basically a secret game code website, and they have some of the best available codes. They have loads of Roblox games. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar, type in driving empire, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this page once you tap on it, and there are a couple of verified promo codes for driving empire. So go ahead and scroll down. You can get 10 million free cash, and you can get all cars. So this is going to unlock every car. I'm going to select that one. I've already done it, so I won't run through the full process, but as you can see, guys, this is going to confirm your choice, and then you've got to click on show full code. You can see the code is sort of hidden there. And this is going to allocate you a verified working, by the way, code, and you can literally redeem it in game. And this is going to unlock all cars, and this is working in 2026. So these are limited codes, guys, and it does limit one of these codes per person. So you can only do this once. I've already done it. What you need to do, guys, is click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page. And essentially you need to follow the instructions here to complete a couple of tasks. They're all completely free. And basically you need to complete 2 of these offers to unlock your code. So these are basically things like playing mobile games, installing apps and that. Just make sure you follow the instructions below each app. I'm going to skip forward. Once you complete 2 of them, it will send you back to this page, and your driving empire Roblox code will be fully revealed here. So I did this earlier. I grabbed my code, I redeemed it in game, and that unlocked all cars, but you can get money as well. So that is it, guys. These are the best driving empire codes in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Need any help, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.